FlashForge 3D Printer Creator Pro, metal frame structure, acrylic covers, optimized build platform, dual extruder with 2 spools, works with ABS and PLA. Product description. Leaving our competition a step or two behind, these new features are only available on the new FlashForge Creator Pro. The new front door comes pre-installed and has been redesigned to provide easier access to prints. The new injected PC top cover comes in one solid piece, making it stronger and more effective at regulating temperature. The new larger platform adjusting screws have been re-engineered for easier use. The new extruder wiring router can protect wiring from wear and tear efficiently. What's in the box? The Creator Pro. Dual extruder. 2x spool holders. 2 spools FILAMENT, NW 1 kg per spool, material and color are randomly selected. 2x spare blue platform stickers. 2x filament guide tubes. Screw drive, screws, Allen wrenches and 2 spare Teflon tubes in accessories bag. Power supply cable. USB cable. Injected PC top cover. 1x16 GB South Dakota card, contains software, test sample files and operation manual. Software, Replicatorg, FlashPrint, SIMPLIFY 3D compatibility, Windows, Mac OS X and Linux. Print from South Dakota card, or over USB cable. Input file type, STL, Gold, X3 grams. Printing build envelope, 225x145x150 mm. Build volume, about 5 liters. Layer thickness, 0.1-0.3 mm, adjustable. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Materials works well with 1.75 mm ABS and PLA. Click link below for free shipping.